Straight out of the factory, the Nissan Frontier was built for the outdoors. With its 310 horsepower V6, 9-speed transmission, and 9.4-inch ground clearance, the Frontier is an adventurer's dream. But when we dream even bigger, this mid-size pickup takes us to a whole new frontier of possibilities.
I'm Rachel Sukup, and today we are going to be talking about how you can maximize your Frontier's outdoor capabilities. The most important thing when exploring is being able to set up camp anywhere your travel takes you.
Nissan makes that possible with the NISMO off-road rooftop tent. Simple to set up, this tent offers spacious and comfortable accommodations for two. That includes a thick wall-to-wall memory foam mattress and an adjustable aluminum ladder for easy entry. This tent sits high above the ground, which keeps it warm and dry. Its raised position also provides unbeatable views and ventilation. Constructed of durable, weather-resistant canvas, the rooftop tent comes with 3 zippered mesh windows and an integrated rainfly. The entire tent weighs only 132 pounds and has a static weight capacity of 600 pounds.
Now, in order to have this tent for your Frontier, you'll need to mount it somewhere. That's where the NISMO Overland Bedrack comes in.
With a load capacity of 1,200 pounds while you're parked and 750 pounds while you're on the trail, this Bedrack has room for more than just your rooftop tent. Multiple mounting points allow for extra gas tanks, water containers, traction mats, and anything else you can think of to keep you prepared for the unknown. One of the coolest accessories for your Frontier's Bedrack is this 270-degree awning by Freespirit Recreation. Simply unzip the nature-proof cover and then swing open the 78-square-foot active shelter to protect against passing storms or midday heat. Weighing at just 37 pounds, the FSR 270 awning is the lightest swing awning on the market and holds up against wind without the need for poles or stakes.
The adventure options for the Frontier are endless. Right here in the front, we have an integrated winch and light bar.
And in the back, a Bluetooth speaker. Equip the Frontier with a lift, off-road wheels, and all-terrain tires to complete the adventure setup.
Are you prepared for the wilderness? Come to United Nissan Reno and get your Frontier ready for the adventure of a lifetime.